Everybody in the world knows the name brand Colgate-Palmolive. We're protecting all the corporate systems like you would imagine. Our security program also has to protect our manufacturing plants where we're producing the products that we're selling. So we have a lot of different types of businesses, and we have to be the security team for all of them. In the cybersecurity industry, having visibility is key. We want the system to be able to tell us, hey, these are the sanctioned tools that are being used, and here's a list of all the unsanctioned tools so that we can start actioning them. Savvy did a really nice job of making that easy for us to consume.
The initial pitch showed that it did things that we weren't doing yet. It did things that no other tool that we had could do, and so that was exciting. But actually seeing it in our environment and talking with Savvy and working with them gave us insight that I didn't think was even possible.
When we started the proof of value with Savvy, it helped us understand where there were some white spaces that we weren't gathering information, and that's the best part. When you have the visibility on what's really not going through our type of compliance, then we can use that information to bring it into our identity management solution. The first use cases we looked at for Savvy was around changing user behavior around secure passwords, changing user behavior around multi-factor authentication, and moving them to a more secure MFA factor. Since those initial use cases, we've found all sorts of other uses that we could do because their playbook builder is so flexible.
The logging has enabled us to use it for other tools, and other teams have been able to use Savvy resources and cross-check it against other sources of information we have.
We leverage Savvy's ability to really tell people when they went to access a tool that wasn't our global standard to actually redirect them to the tool we wanted them to use. So this is a great behavior change, but it's also very uninvasive for the employee. They went to try using an LLM or an AI tool, and we redirected them to the one that we knew was already approved by the company and that we were already managing.
If Savvy went away, I would be very concerned immediately because users would not be getting educated where they need to be educated. We right now are making it a part of our security plan. Savvy does such a good job making it about Colgate. Every week I meet with them and I get a lot of information, and it's always about Colgate, it's always about our thing. It feels like they're very much a part of our team.
What's difficult for all of us is figuring out which one's right for your organization and which one's going to actually help make you a more secure company, what's actually going to help improve your security posture, not just add another tool to your technology stack. I would tell another CISO the best thing you can do is do a POV with Savvy. Instantly, you can roll out their browser extension, get some visibility into stuff you haven't seen before, and then decide if that's something you want to action. What I liked about Savvy is instantly we rolled it out and we were able to improve our security posture. It wasn't a 6-month or 1-year project. In a few weeks, we were already seeing value.